thinking right now. I don't know what comes to you right now. Identify one thing that comes to your head right now. For example, maybe like, I feel better. Okay, just identify that one thing. Now, repeat that sentence, that self-talk, but slow it down. So if I'm saying I feel better, now I slow it down to 0.25. I slow it down to 0.5x, just half of the speed. I feel better. Whatever that is in your head, slow it down to 0.5x. Now as you're able to slow down, let's slow down even more to 0.25x, such as I feel better. And see if you can make it so slow that it just goes away and disappears in the background. I think as far as I see, most of you have your eyes closed. That's good. So you could just keep your eyes closed. Even though you keep your eyes closed, you are still able to imagine that you see something. So for example, I would like you to just imagine there's a point in front of you, that whiteboard. Imagine that you're looking at that whiteboard. Notice its color. Notice how big it is. Notice its shape. As you're seeing, imagining you're seeing that whiteboard, now expand your vision a little bit. Now think about what's around that whiteboard. Think about the wall. Think about the curtain behind it. Think about the floor. Now keep expanding your vision about that whiteboard. Allow yourself, imagine that you can see around that whiteboard the trash can, the microphone box, my yoga mat. Now keep expanding your vision around that whiteboard. Think about that you can see the glass door, you can see the fridge, other yoga mats, other coworkers around you. Continue to expand in your mind what you see. Now you can see the rest of the yoga mat. You see the kitchen, the sink, the stairs. Continue to expand your